Hi there, welcome to the UXF channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial for one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies that is available for free at my website at uxstuff.info. You just go to the music tab, you go down to the works of Elizabeth Ragsdale, and you'll see the book of 100 chord melodies there for free, no strings attached, no email necessary or anything else. It's just there for download. What we're going to do this video is first I'll talk about what chord melody is. Then I'll demonstrate the song on low G GCEA ukulele. Then I will do a tutorial on low G GCEA ukulele. Then I'll demonstrate the song on high G just so you can hear how it sounds different, and DGBE ukulele as well. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel, the UXF channel, and its sister channel, Ukulelongs. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melodies, I do have two books of chord melodies of hymns and carols available for purchase at my Buy Me a Coffee page. You can also find them in the Apple bookstore, on the Kindle bookstore, and in print from Amazon. I also have a number of my other non-carol or hymn arrangements of chord melodies available for free on my website. If you go to uxstuff.info, again, music, you look at my tabs, you'll see them all there, along with tutorial videos like this one. You'll also see all the works from Elizabeth Ragsdale, the works by Tony Krimlisk, and you'll see two other links. One is to the works of Spencer Gay at Uke Education, also free. A lot of chord melody resources there. And also a link to the works of the late Mike Lynch, who was an earlier ukulele teacher who wrote some really wonderful chord melodies, but those are paid resources. Now, I've been talking about chord melody. What does that mean? Chord melody is you play your ukulele, and it is going to play the melody and the chords at the same time, giving you the full song. It's the full sound around. A lot of us are used to strumming chords and singing, letting the melody happen. Well, in this case, you're actually playing the melody out of the chords that you're playing. So you're going to be using your thumb, and it's sort of an oral optical illusion or an oral illusion where the last note you hear becomes the melody in your head. So with that, when you hear that, and you're playing with your thumb, you're going to hear the harmony and the melody and rhythm all at the same time with your thumb. Now, you're going to play parts of chords, or you're going to play a full chord or a single note, and you're going to be reading tablature. Tablature is looking at your ukulele this way. So you're holding your ukulele. The note closest to you is the 4th string. That's actually the bottom line of the tablature, and the top line of the tablature is the farthest away from you. Again, tablature is like looking at your ukulele that way. The numbers tell you which string to press down. If there's no number, you don't play the note. If there's a 0, you just play the string open. So let's begin with a demonstration of Schnitzelbank. Really, you have 3 chords here. You've got the C chord, F chord, and G chords, or part of them. Then it's just playing the right notes and combinations and rhythms. So let's begin. Measure 1 is all about the C chord, so you're going to play strings 4 and 3 open, 2nd string open, add your ring finger to the 2nd string 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2, up to the 1st string 3rd fret, F chord, add your pinky to the 1st string, then you're bringing your ring finger back to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, then lift up on the 2nd string, F chord strings 4, 3, and 2, repeat the 2nd string, C chord strings 4, 3, and 2, repeat the 2nd string, G chord strings 4 and 3, repeat the 3rd string, C chord strings 4 and 3. Now we're in the 2nd line. We're going to play the C chord, again strings 4 and 3, 2nd string, C chord with the ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret, repeat the 2nd string twice, F chord, repeat the 1st string, ring finger goes down the 2nd string 3rd fret, C chord strings 4 and 3, 2nd string, ring finger goes down to the 2nd string 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2, repeat the 2nd string twice, G chord strings 4 and 3, repeat the 3rd string, C chord strings 4 and 3. Bottom line now, C chord strings 4 and 3. Second string, ring finger goes down on the second string, third fret. Repeat the second string twice, F chord. Repeat the first string, C chord, second string, third fret, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then, last two measures of song, strings 4 and 3. Second string open, ring finger goes down on second string, third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift up twice on the second string, G chord, strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string, C chord, strings 4 and 3. Now let's demonstrate it on GCEA ukulele for you. And now Baritone DGBE ukulele. I hope you've enjoyed hearing and learning how to play Schnitzelbank as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale. Again, it's part of her 100 chord melodies, which you can download for free at my website at ukestuff.info. Music into the works of Elizabeth Ragsdale. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.